Since the start of the pandemic, we have had a lot of conversations around mental health. According to a study from the University of New Hampshire, about 40% of Maine adults report experiencing some sort of mental health challenge during the last few years.
And because of this, Cumberland County Sheriff Kevin Joyce tells News Center Maine his department is on pace to see a 100% increase in calls this year over 2019. Jackie Mundry takes a closer look.
A lot of times when deputies at Cumberland County Sheriff's Department get a call, it's for a mental health related emergency.
You know, the reality is that we've seen mental health really go through the roof in the last couple of years.
Sheriff Kevin Joyce says his department saw a 300% increase in calls just last year. And many people need this emergency help more than once. There are at least 2 households in the county that his team has visited more than 20 times each.
If you've gone to talk to somebody who's got mental illness 25 times, what makes you think that the 26th or the 27th or the 30th time things are going to get any better?
But unfortunately, he says it's a supply and demand issue. There are too many people with untreated mental health issues and not enough mental health professionals to help them.
We are the de facto mental health provider after 5 o'clock on Friday through 8 o'clock on Monday.
That's why Senators Susan Collins and Angus King are allocating $750,000 of federal money to pilot a program to hire more mental health professionals to work with law enforcement.
Our police departments and our police officers, wonderful though they are not trained in most cases to deal with serious mental health problems.
There are a lot of mentally ill people on the street. People that are dangerous to themselves, perhaps to others, and a lot of times law enforcement is the front line.
This funding will help Knox and Waldo counties. Senators Collins and King say they hope that's just the start and that money can help many more departments in the coming years, because law enforcement leaders say they will desperately need that help for years to come.
We're going to be floundering for the next decade or so because it's not getting better, it's getting worse in my opinion.
A worsening mental health crisis, yet another emergency first responders run towards. In Portland, Jackie Mundry, News Center, Maine.
Now, stemming from this, of course, a reminder, you can always call the National Suicide Prevention Hotline at 988.